In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export multiple image slices in Adobe Photoshop. This is a really useful technique when you want to take one image and split it into separate files quickly and cleanly. It works especially well for things like social media carousel posts, wide banner designs, panoramas, or any layout that needs to be divided into equal sections without manually cropping and saving each part one at a time. To get started, select the crop tool and set your image size to 8 by 5. Once those values are entered, apply the crop so your canvas is set up correctly. This gives you a clean base to work from and helps make sure the final slices are evenly divided. With the canvas ready, go up to View and choose New Guide Layout. In the dialog box that appears, make sure Columns is enabled. Then set the number of columns to 2. This will divide the image into 2 equal vertical sections using guides. Guides are helpful here because Photoshop can use them to automatically define the slice boundaries for you, which saves time and keeps everything precise. Next, switch to the Slice tool, then right-click directly on the image and choose Slices from Guides. Photoshop will instantly create slices based on the guides you just added. This means each section is now recognized as its own exportable area, which is exactly what you need before saving the file separately. After that, go to Image, then Image Size, and adjust the dimensions to the resolution you want. In this example, set the width to 2160 pixels. Photoshop will automatically update the height based on the proportions of the image, so you don't need to calculate anything manually. This is a good moment to double-check that the size fits your intended platform or project before exporting. Once everything looks right, go to File, then Export, then Save for Web, Legacy. In the Export window, choose the settings you prefer. Make sure the format is set to JPEG, and adjust the quality as needed. Higher quality usually gives a better-looking image, while slightly lower settings can help reduce file size, so choose the balance that works best for your needs. Finally, click Save and choose the folder where you want the files to go. Photoshop will automatically export each slice as a separate image file. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can divide one image into multiple sections and export them all at once. This is a fast, practical workflow that can save you a lot of time in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Photoshop tutorial.